Hi, Jud here. I just baked the cake and I made some changes and I got it. I nailed it. Thanks to Joyce for some hints or helping me along. I asked her about some things and she went with me on it. And I wasn't going to do a video on this one, but I got to do this because this has just taken this to a whole new level. The cake, as always, is this Betty Crocker gluten-free chocolate cake mix, which they show a cupcake on the cover for some reason. I don't do a cupcake, I do a cake. And you can see, here's the pan, and you can see that's nice and gooey. What I did, whoop, I need that box. Okay, here's your standard ingredients. Now, I always replace this with milk. I use fat-free milk, but if you use real milk, that'd be fine too, I guess. And I was going to add an extra egg, but Joyce said I shouldn't do that because it might affect the taste, but it would make it fluffier. What I did do, they say 1/3 cup of butter, which is 5 1/3 teaspoons. I upped that from my experience last time, because this cake tends to be dry and crummy, you know, crumbly, like grainy, and fall apart. So I added more butter. I went to 7 teaspoons of butter. So I added an extra 1 2/3 teaspoons of butter. I also always added a half cup of sugar, and I also added 2 capfuls of vanilla, real vanilla. And this baby came out great. Here's the pictures of it out of the oven. Okay, and you can see, as always, it fluffs up in the middle there real high. Here is the cake, and I've already sliced off a bit. And the texture on this is just incredible. And the chew on it is, it's what cake is supposed to be. I don't know why they don't say in the first place to add enough butter. But that has made all the difference in the world. In fact, next time I might even add a little more butter. I might just throw a whole stick in there, which is only another teaspoon. But there you go. A good gluten-free cake. You'll make one, add the butter, baby. Add the butter. Happy day to you.